Okay. Okay, everybody. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make custom entities. It's really, really easy. And yeah, you can make them on any device. But for now, I'll show you how to make it on Windows 10. Then I'll show you guys how to make it on Android. So the only things you need are Chrome, File Explorer, text editor, and Minecraft. So first you open your file, or the files you need from Chrome are the default vanilla files, which is, I'll show you guys how to get there, or how to get the vanilla files. Sorry guys, this is taking a bit. I'm not that good. So first you go to Minecraft.net add-ons, and then you click Minecraft add-ons, customize your experience. It should be the first thing that comes up. After that, you scroll down past those, and the zips of the resource and behavior packs. So you click this, and then it'll automatically download your stuff. Both if you click both of them. But I already have these files, so let me show you guys how to make a custom entity. Here, let me switch to the File Explorer. Okay, so this is the vanilla behavior packs. These are the vanilla behavior packs. So first you go to com.mojang, which should be found, which you can get to by, the only way I've gotten here is by searching it in this PC, which takes quite a bit. You have to search up com.mojang. Takes quite a bit to find it. Oh, surprisingly, that went quite fast. And I keep it pinned, so I know exactly where it is. And you have to, the exact line is users / whatever your user is, app data, local, packages, and then Microsoft.mine, and then whatever this is. I'll put it in the description. And you first make your own, make the folder right here. I'll just make it custom entity. Okay, so you have your custom entity behavior pack, and you have nothing inside it. You make the entities folder. That's where you put your JSON files. And you head over to the behaviors in the assets, which for you guys should, since you downloaded it from Minecraft.net, it should automatically open to this area right here, vanilla. And then you open, or it should show this in the zip. And then you go to the manifest. You have to do Control-C, which will copy. And then you go to the custom entity. Then you paste. Tell me if I'm going too fast in the chat, guys. So, while that's going on, you click it again. See, this is what it says: resourcepack.vanilla_server.description. The server is the behavior packs. So you basically change it to whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it custom entity. And oops, that's the description. I just called it that. You can call your description anything. And this is the name. You can see it right here. You have to change that too, and switch it to custom, or whatever you want to call it. I'm using what's called Sublime Text. It's a really good text editor, but you can just use anything that you prefer. And once you've named it all this, custom entities or whatever you want to call it, you have to go to a site to get your own UEID, which is the sorry, the thing right here, UEID right here. You need 2 of them, or 3 for the behavior pack. You need 3 because one of them is going to be for the resource pack, which will be right here. It'll link it, so once you add the behavior pack, it'll automatically put that in the resource, or add the resource pack to the world too. So let's go back to Chrome. Oopsie. Yep. And we go to new tab. Can you guys see this? Or can you not? Doesn't seem like it's working right now. Let's make a new tab, because this is very bad. You go to wait, is it not working? This isn't good, guys. Is anything showing on the screen? No, it is not showing. Oh wait, it is. Okay. So you go to UEIDgenerator.net, which will give you a UEID generator. So you get the first one. Your version, it should say online UEID generator. Your version for UEID. It should say that, and you just press copy. And you go back to your behaviors or your manifest. Here's the Sublime text. And you paste it back in here. You paste the UID into the first UID, which is in name, under name. You have to paste it right there. Make sure you paste it correctly, or else it might bug out. It will most likely bug out. And then you go back to UEID generator, which is back at Chrome, right here, and then you refresh page to generate another. And you get another UEID. You copy it again, step by step, and then you paste it back into Sublime text. This time it should be the one on the UID next under type, and then it says data. It should be right there, and then you paste. It should be really easy, and then it replaces that. You have to go back for another one, which is you have to go back to Chrome again, refresh the UEID, copy it again, go back to Sublime text or whatever text editor, and you paste it under the dependencies one, under UEID. Then you paste, and then you save the file, and it should all be going well. Let's check in Minecraft if it shows. Let's check if it shows creative, or no, you don't have to do creative, but yes, see, custom entities. It shows nothing's inside of the file, that's why it's 0 megabytes, but it's always going well. Is everything going well for everybody who's watching? Hopefully it is. And you go back, you don't have to close Minecraft. You go back to not Sublime text. I forgot, Explorer. And you open that one. You go back to wherever you placed your files for the vanilla resource and behavior packs. And then once you open the vanilla resource pack, it should show something like this. Vanilla. And then you take the manifest again. You copy it with Control-C. You have to make a new folder here because you haven't made one in the resources. Custom entity. And then you don't have to call it custom entity like I said. And then you paste it. you make another new folder for the entity, and boom. I'm pretty sure I spelled that right. Nope, I did not. And then we open manifest again, change the name to whatever, the description and the name to whatever you want. I'm keeping it as custom entity. And then you have to get another 2 more UEIDs from UEID generator in Chrome, and then you refresh again, copy. Wait, actually, you don't have to refresh it again. Sorry, sorry guys, I messed up there. All you have to do is copy from the behavior, the UEID from the dependencies, copy it with Control C, and paste it in the topmost UEID, which is under the name. You then have to go back to the UEID generator in Chrome, refresh the page to get another UEID, copy, and then paste it under the resources, which should say type. It's like resources right here, and then type, and then you have to paste it next to the UEID, replace it, and then yeah, that should be the UEIDs. Okay, we go back there to Minecraft, we test if it's working. Just froze, but whatever. Custom entities, if you add it, see custom entities, and it automatically adds the resource pack. You didn't have to do the, if you didn't want it to automatically add the resource pack, you can just remove this part, the dependencies. You just select it, remove it with a backspace, and then then you save. There. So that's all you have to do for the manifests. But now, for the hard part, air quotes, totally hard, for the resource packs, or to make the custom entity, you have to go back to your files, which is the behavior pack thing, the vanilla. Okay, so you have the vanilla, you go from vanilla in the behavior packs to the entities. So we have all of the Minecraft entities here. We can use any of these to turn them into custom entity, to make another custom entity, which is basically a duplicate of it. But I'm not going to do that. I'll just use the pig as a template. So we copy it, copy the pig file, copy, and then we paste it in the entities file of the custom entity. So, which is in the behavior packs of com.mojang. So you go in, paste, pig, rename pig to pig2. Make sure to do that, or else some things might go wrong. Okay. We have pig2. So this is the Minecraft pig files. We have everything. You can change anything in here, but I'm gonna change a few things later, but right now I'll show you guys how to turn it into a custom entity. First, you cannot use the Minecraft tag or Minecraft ID. This part, you cannot use this. You cannot use this in its identifier. So I'm just gonna remove the T. So it's Minecraft pig. And then I add 2. Then I just save it with Control S, or you can press save. Whichever one you prefer. Oh no, did I forget to switch it? Nope, I did not. So you go here, and then you have the behavior file. So you go back to Minecraft. Minecraft. And then you go here, you add the behavior pack like I already did. Behavior resource. You most likely will have to reload Minecraft. Go here, back here. See, now it has 0.01 megabytes because of the behavior file I added. Resources. Okay, we're adding the entity. Custom entities are just a matter of renaming the identifiers. That's all you need to do. And if you want to make the pig more much more different, then I just goofed something. Sorry guys. Sorry, we have to switch to a different mode. If it's just a matter of changing identifiers and dragging and dropping code from Minecraft's code, you have to change it to creative. And you have to enable all of these experimentals, yeah. It should do that if you haven't enabled experimental. So you need all of these enabled. Well, I'm not sure what, I'm pretty sure you don't have to have this enabled, but I just always do, just in case. And you press play. And it should load in. Sorry guys for the loading. Okay, so we have loaded in. You go to mob eggs, and there is your pig 2. It does not have a resource file. That's why right now you cannot see it. You can hit it, but you can't see it at all. So, how do we fix this? We make the resource file, of course. So, we leave the game. We switch it to File Explorer. Okay, so we're in custom entities yet again. And we leave, go back, and to resource packs. So, sorry guys. You go to data, or not data, wherever you put your vanilla resources. And you go to vanilla and entities. Or entity. It only says entity here. You look for the pig file. It is pig 1.0 that you should be looking for. I'm pretty sure. Yes, you should be looking for pig version 1.0, which is this guy right here. My mouse should be hovering over it. Yep. And you copy it. You go back to your com.mojang folder. You go to custom entity. You paste. And boom, you have your pig. You have to rename it to pig 2 to make sure it doesn't overlap the vanilla file. We have Minecraft.pig or :pig, sorry. And you delete the T. You add a 2 to the pig. Make sure it's the same as your other pig ID, which is right here. Make sure it's Minecraft or Minecraft.:pig and Minecraft::pig in both the server, which is the behavior packs, and the resource packs. Make sure you have both of those or it will not work. Make sure they are the same. You save. You can go back to Minecraft. Oh, I just realized. Sorry guys, I forgot to share my screen when I was editing Sublime Text. Okay, so while we have this Minecraft.pig or :pig. Okay, so we had the default Minecraft pig identifier here. So you have to have the pig identifier to pig 2. And you need to have the Minecraft or the pig this new pig 2 file. Its identifier should be Minecraft.:pig2. It doesn't have to be the same identifier. Just make sure it's different to what you copied and pasted. You boot up Minecraft. And you go back into your world that you just made with the custom entities. And quiet loading time. Okay, so once we've loaded in, see, look, it now shows the pig. And once you spawn it, boom, you have a pig. It does not make any sounds, but it's a custom entity. It has the same behavior as a pig. So it's basically a replica of the pig. So yeah, this is your pig. You can make it make you can add different components to it. Like, for example, you can make it hostile. You can make it fly around. You can do anything with the Minecraft code. But this right now is the default pig. I will show you guys how to make a flying pig that shoots dragon fireballs. So yeah, later on in the video. But if you want to keep this version of the pig, just keep it like this, and you can retexture it however you want. So you leave again, and once you leave the world, you go back to File Explorer, and so you have the pig 2 and the resource files. Now if you want to make a custom texture for the pig, you make a textures file, and entity, and then you put your texture here. But since I'm just using the normal pig texture, I'm not gonna do that. And now I will move back to Sublime Text, or not Sublime Text. Well, I'll show you guys how to make a custom pig texture. So we have the pig. Actually, no, I won't. Sorry, guys, for the sudden changes of mind. You guys can make the texture, but you have to edit the texture files to entity pig and then whatever. And I'll save it like that. Then we go back to File Explorer. Sorry guys, I just goofed something on my screen. You guys can't see it, but I just goofed something. We go back to this folder. And if you want to make a flying pig that shoots fireballs, that'll actually be, or dragon fireballs, that'll actually be pretty easy. You go back to wherever you put your vanilla behavior and resource files. I put mine in my data folder. I'll be using the ghast behaviors for this. I'll just copy the components, which is right here. I closed it down, which you press this, and you copy with Control C. And sorry guys, I forgot to change my screen again. So we have the ghast textures, or the ghast components here, as you can see right here. And I'll close it down so it's easier for me to copy. And I just do Control C. It's really, really simple. And we go back to pig 2, which is in your the behavior side, server side of the pig, of pig 2, which is your add-on. And you close down component groups. You can also saddle them. You can make rideable piggies that shoot dragon fireballs. I don't know why you would do that, but I'm showing it as an example. And you just paste the ghast stuff. There'll be an error down here because there is not a comma, so you have to paste your comma in, and it should be fine. You can change anything, and since my pig is just a small guy, I'm changing the collision box, which should be right here under Minecraft :health. I switch it to like not 10, 1 and 1, so it fits the pig size. And you can change its shooter, which is large fireball. You can change it to dragon fireball. I'm pretty sure that is the identifier. If you'd like to change it, I'll double check so you guys don't make a mistake on it. And yes, that is the right identifier. So you change this also to dragon fireball. And you save it. Then you go back to Minecraft. So once you're back in Minecraft, you go to here, the same world, you reload into it. And while it's booting up, we'll just wait. So once you've got it loaded in, booted up and everything, there's the flying pig. See, it flies and stuff. So you can spawn multiple of them. You can change their speed. And if you go to survival, they are hostile. Which they look quite funny. And yeah, I do not know why you would want to make a flying pig that tries to murder you. But yeah, I added them. So yeah, you can add these guys. You can make these guys into your world too. With just changing the custom entity files. Or by just copying and pasting a few files. And yeah. Custom entities are really simple now. Or they've been really simple. So this is just a tutorial for those people who wanted to make custom entities. And you can also keep some of the pig components, like I did. Like you can breed them with carrots. Or you can still breed them with carrots. You can see carrot. And yeah, they have their own. Yeah. It's kind of a funny looking add-on. And this is only a tutorial on how to make behaviors for them. Because there are other tutorials that are way better than this one that show how you can make the resource packs for the entities. And so yeah, hope you guys understood the tutorial. I will most likely be editing this or re-uploading this because I think I did really bad explaining. So yeah. Hope you guys followed the tutorial well and everything went well for you guys. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.